Okay, let's go. Nice and clean. 5-inch media filter, brought the gas up to code, condensate pump in the pan, new line set, blue pipe, new plenums. Let's go, y'all already know. Added a 10-inch return. That was kind of tough, but we got it done. You already know what to do. Show your boy some love. If you like the video, like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Catch you in the next one. Morning, YouTube. What up? It's your boy Zeke, back with another one. Let me show you how we working with today. Alright, it's how we looking. Placing ductwork, plenums, system, line set, fixing the water heater, bring that up to code. Let's go. It's a nice little before. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and start by getting this gas disconnected. And then we'll start with the ductwork so it's not just hanging all over us. Alright, so our gas is disconnected. So we gotta get this high and low volt disconnected. Alright, so we got high, low voltage disconnected. Got our gas. We got the return plenum disconnected. Gonna get these two ducts off. Supply ducts, and then the coil. Let's go. Alright, so we got that return off the way. See, we're gonna put a drain pan, raise it up. This thing is colossal. This thing is huge. Alright, y'all. We got rid of the plenum. Supply plenums right here. Just get this, cut this coil, get the drain loose. Yeah, and then we take it outside. Alright, y'all, look how we looking. That system is gone. Boom. Alright, replacing this line set. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna put a pan, some blocks, raise it about the pan. It's gonna look real nice. Alright, y'all, we all cleared out. About to get this pan down, start building this joint. Alright, let's get our hole cut out. Alright, this is how the new furnace is looking. Let's get that coil on, get it leveled, and then work on that supply. Alright, so we got the coil on here. Got it taped, secured, screwed down. Let's go ahead and get this gas won't be in the way, so let's get the gas. High voltage done. Got high volt done. Alright, let me get this gas done real quick. I'm gonna take this union off and just tee it right there. Alright, about to cut these holes for our supply. Get this put on, then we work on that return. Alright, we got the mastic up in the plenum with our dampers. Let go. Alright, got the supply plenum on. Alright, so we got everything connected to the supply plenum. Got these two connected right here. Yeah. Alright, let me finish this gas and work on this low volt. Let's go. Alright, got the gas done, up the code, grounded. About to get this low volt done. Let's go. Alright, we got the low volt wired in here nice and neat. Let's go. Alright, y'all, that's how we looking. We got this return on. Monster. Let me get these return ducts on. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the drain. I think I'm gonna go over here next to this outlet. Yep. Alright, y'all, this how we looking. Got the drain done. Condensate tubing, gas, 5-inch filter, wiring, flue pipe. Let's go. YouTube, what up? We done. Let me show you how this guy turned out. Okay, let's go. Nice and clean. 5-inch media filter, brought the gas up to code. Condensate pump in the pan. New line set. Blue pipe, new plenums. Let's go. Y'all already know. Added a 10-inch return. That was kind of tough, but we got it done. You already know what to do. Show your boy some love. If you like the video, like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Catch you in the next one.